Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and app. Close heavy background apps and free at least 500 MB of RAM because Alight Motion needs headroom to render smoothly. Once done, update Alight Motion to the latest release. Developers fix performance bottlenecks regularly. Make sure to avoid unnecessary system tweaks. Only enable developer options for GPU rendering if you understand the trade-offs. This reduces stutter early and prevents wasted effort on later fixes. Next, optimize the project itself. Lower composition resolution to 720p or 480p for complex timelines because fewer pixels mean faster playback. Convert large images to compressed formats like WEP at around 80% quality so assets load quicker. Once you have many layers, pre-render or merge static groups, this cuts real-time processing. Also, substitute heavy effects with cheaper alternatives when possible. These changes finally focus on rendering and recovery. Use preview renders for sections and export with hardware acceleration if your device supports it, because that speeds final output. Monitor CPU and GPU temperatures. Thermal throttling can cause sudden slowdowns, so cool the device if needed. If you still see lag, clear Alight Motion cache, reinstall the app, or test the project on another device to isolate the issue. Remember, these steps fix most problems. If not, collect logs or recreate the timeline in a new file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.